What's the meaning of breakable? Breakable. Breakable.
Breakable. Breakable. Breakable describes something that can be easily broken or damaged, either physically or metaphorically. This may refer to objects, materials, relationships, or even people. When something is breakable, it implies that it requires care and attention to prevent damage or destruction. For example, delicate glassware is often labeled as breakable to warn people to handle it with care. In the context of personal relationships, people may describe themselves or others as breakable if they are emotionally sensitive or vulnerable. Overall, breakable suggests fragility and the potential for damage or harm.